friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I put out planner related content, weekly plan with me's, monthly plan with me's, organization videos, sticker related content, things like that. So if you like that sort of content, please consider subscribing and coming back to my channel more often. I do post regularly on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I think this video may go up on Sunday instead of Monday. I'm recording this voiceover on Sunday, and I'm going to try to get this video up today. So, this week I am filming a plan with me in my Recollections planner from Michaels. It is a vertical layout, and the kit that I'm using is called Cozy Home. It is in silver foil, and the kit is by Station Stickers. In the sidebar, I'm just marking cooking dinner, working out, and my nose bend, and then my YouTube tasks for this week and next week. On the top of Monday, I'm just marking some work related tasks as well as coffee. The Make Coffee script is from a Paperella story, and I marked feeding my cat at the same time with a cat icon from Coffee Monsters Co. I am marking deep cleaning my shower and kitchen with a spray bottle from Murdoch Talks in a clean script from Letters to Apollo, also in silver. That play button is from Planning World. I use that to mark filming a haul. It's another script from Letters to Apollo as well. On the top of Monday, you'll see that I had some time to do some lesson planning. That script is from Kizzy's Creations, and the icon is from Fox and Pip. We also had our regular Monday morning meeting with our students. The meeting script is from Shop Jessica Hearts, and the emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I marked making dinner on Tuesday with a script from Virgo and Paper, and the cat chef is from Mixie Cat Stuff. On Etsy, you can use my code Caroline15 for 15% off of your order. Excuse me, my mom is texting me. There we go. On Wednesday, I had a regular coaching meeting, and I marked that with a work script from Freinds Stickers. Or no, not the meeting. I did some work for the meeting. Never mind. And the icon, the pencil icon, is from the Coffee Monsters Co. Tuesday was also an exciting day because I was 2 weeks out from my second part of the COVID-19 vaccine, so I was considered quote-unquote immune. So I marked that with a mask icon in that sort of blush color from Murdoch Talks. I also marked school with a backpack icon from Fox and Pip and an online class script from a Paperella story. On Wednesday, I did an early morning workout and marked uploading the second half of a sticker organization project using a play button from Samantha Maystix and an upload script from Nettie Designs. At the bottom of Wednesday, I marked watching The Bachelor. I don't watch it live, I watch it after it airs on Hulu. I marked that with the script and an icon from Franny Liam Stickers. Just filling in the sidebar. The pen that you saw me using there is the Papermate Inkjoy Gel in 0.5. Occasionally I oscillate between different pens So that was the one I was using this day. I marked folding laundry with the fold stuff script from Glam Planner, and that laundry basket is from Harriet Wright Designs. I marked putting away Happy Meal. I layered a Once More with Love munchkin on top of that hexagon shape, and the script is from Station Stickers. I tried to pull in more black script stickers just because I thought it went well with the darker neutrals in this kit, and I wanted to use Station Sticker script since this is a Station Stickers kit. I thought they would coordinate well. Just filling in my sidebar. The This Week script on top of that weekly tracker is by Harriet Wright Designs. That Working with Cat Distractions emoji, or munchkin, excuse me, is from Once More with Love. I use that to mark my cat making a surprise special guest appearance in one voiceover coming up soon, so look out for that. Thank you, George. And then I'm just using I think that's supposed to be like Google Meet or Zoom icon to mark online school on Thursday. I used a bunch of icons from the kit this day. I had honestly forgotten about them until the second half of the week, so I tried to pull in as many as I could into the last 4 days of this spread. I marked doing laundry on the top of Thursday with an icon from the kit. I wash our sheets usually on Thursday, and our linens, that wash sheets script is from Virgo and Paper, and I just cut it down to put it onto 2 lines. I did the same thing with the Make Dinner script earlier in the week. I just like them, like that when it all fits in the box and it takes up less space that way, just because those are a bit larger. That online class script is from Sticky Essentials. The edit script is from Nitty Designs, and the clean script is from Letters to Apollo. I layered the heart icon over another one of the hexagons to mark me time. I cut down that script to fit better vertically as well, and that script is from Scribble Prints Co. Also in silver, I did almost everything on that day with icons from the kit, with the exception of this bottom part here. Again, cutting down that Make Dinner script from Virgo and Paper and adding in a little cooking cat from Mixie Cat Stuff. The link to their shop will be down below with the code in case you're interested in that. I did go back in. I liked being able to pull in my Station Sticker scripts as well as my Virgo and Paper scripts, because I thought that the black script on white paper matched really well. Marked a workout on Friday morning with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and an icon from the kit. A work plan with me went live on this day. I used an icon from the kit, a Letters to Apollo script, and a Franny Lame Stickers script. We had our normal school day. I used an icon from the kit to mark that. And then I started some guest prep cleaning. My mom came to stay with us this night to just spend the night and spend some time with us, so I did a little bit of more deep cleaning and guest prep this day, just making sure that her bathroom was clean, sheets were washed, kitchen was nice and clean, things like that. We got Chinese food takeout this night. That takeout script is from Kinsey's Creations, and I was just really excited to have Mom be able to come and visit for the first time in a long time, just with needing to get vaccinated and everything, and she actually came and slept over. So on Saturday morning we were able to enjoy coffee together on our couch in the morning, and our treadmill was delivered Saturday afternoon. I used a teeny from Glam Planner to mark the treadmill delivery. The tiara on the bottom of Saturday watching Netflix is from Pumpkin Paper Co. And the script is from Scribble Prints Co. Marking with one of the calendar icons from the kit that my dad and his wife came over to visit and helped to assemble our treadmill. And then I just marked the delivery with a Happy Meal script from Kinsey's Creations. And then moving up to the top of Saturday, I'm ordering our groceries. We order our groceries weekly on Saturdays, and they're usually delivered on Sunday with a munchkin from Once More with Love. And that grocery shop script is from Glam Planner. Same thing with that coffee time script, and I just used a teacup. I thought it matched well enough from the kit to mark coffee with my mom on Saturday. That's just a really special time. We can just have coffee and just talk and catch up for a while. I used the grocery bag icon and the alarm clock icons on Sunday to mark sleeping in and our grocery delivery. That script is from Station Stickers, and the sleep in script is from Scribble Prints Co. Going back over to mark the end of my habit trackers to finish out the week, and then flipping back over to the top of Saturday, I am just marking, doing some decluttering. We had to just kind of move some furniture around and things to get ready for the treadmill delivery. It's another script from Scribble Prints Co. and an icon from the kit. I marked filming this Plan With Me on Sunday morning, which is what it is currently now. It is Sunday morning when I'm filming this voiceover. I used an icon from the kit here and an edit script to mark editing this video. I'm planning to schedule it. I might put it up today, tomorrow, I'm not sure. Marked more decluttering because there's still a lot of boxes to clean up. And finally, chilling this evening with a script from Scribble Prints Co. That is pretty much everything for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and if you like my content and planner related content. If you have any questions about the spread or for me in general, don't forget to leave those in the comments below. I really hope that everyone is staying happy and safe and healthy and happy, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.